Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn unit number 11, parallelograms and triangle. Now we are going to solve exercise 11. Now students, here is question number 1, fill in the blanks. I am going to read the first blank. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are dash. Here is a parallelogram, students. According to the definition of parallelogram, the opposite sides of the parallelograms are parallel, like AD is parallel to BC and AD is also congruent to BC, and AB is parallel to DC and AB is also congruent to DC. So in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel or congruent. Now students, the second blank, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are dash. Here are the opposite angles. Angle A is opposite to angle C and angle B is opposite to angle D. In a parallelogram, because opposite sides are congruent, so opposite angles are also equal or congruent. Now students, in third blank, diagonals of the parallelogram dash each other at a point. Here are the two diagonals of the parallelogram, AC and BD. Now students, look at the diagonals of the parallelogram. Both the diagonals of the parallelogram intersect at a point E. So diagonals of the parallelogram intersect each other at a point. Now students, fourth blank है आपके पास, medians of the triangle are dash. Now students, here in the triangle AD, BE and CF are the medians of the triangle. Now students, आप ऑब्जर्व करें कि ये जो तीनों मीडियंस हैं वो एक पॉइंट पे मीट कर रहे हैं. वो कौन सा पॉइंट है? G. तो ऐसे लाइन सेगमेंट जो कि एक पॉइंट पर मीट करें वो क्या कहलाता है? उनका पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करेंसी कहलाता है. सो द मीडियन ऑफ द ट्राइंगल्स आर कंकरेंट. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, फिफ्थ ब्लैंक, diagonals of the parallelogram divides the parallelogram into two dash triangles. Here is the parallelogram DCBA. So look at the diagonal. Here is the diagonal BD. Diagonal of the parallelogram always divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. So diagonals of the parallelogram divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Here is question number 2. In a parallelogram ABCD. Here is the parallelogram ABCD. Now students, number 1, measure AB dash measure DC. Measure AB is dash measure DC. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are always congruent. So measure AB is congruent to measure DC. Second, measure BC dash measure AD. Measure BC dash measure AD. So in a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent. So measure BC is congruent to measure AD. Now students, third, measure angle 1 is congruent to dash. Here is the measure angle 1 and here is measure angle 3. These are the alternate angles. So measure angle 1 is congruent to measure angle 3. Now student, in fourth, measure angle 2 is congruent to dash. Measure angle 2 is congruent to 4. Measure angle 4, because these are alternated angles. So measure angle 2 is congruent to measure angle 4. Now students, we are going to solve the question number 3. Find the unknowns in the figure. Here is the figure students, and we are going to find out the values of unknowns m0, n0, x0 and y0. Here is the solution. N0 is congruent to 75 degree because these are the opposite angles of a parallelogram. So opposite angles of the parallelograms are always congruent. Now students, n is equal to 75. N0 is congruent to y0. N0 is congruent to y0 because n0 and y0 are alternate angles. So these are congruent. Now students, n0 is congruent to 75 degree and n0 is congruent to y0. It means that n0 is congruent to y0 is congruent to 75 degree. That implies that y0 is congruent to 75 degree. Now student, x0 plus y0 is equal to 180 degree. Look at these two angles, x0 and y0. is equal to 180 degree because these are the supplementary angles. Now students, put the value of y naught. y naught आपके पास क्या था 75 डिग्री, इधर 75 डिग्री ऐड हो रहा है तो इधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा लेस 180 डिग्री माइनस 75 डिग्री आपके पास आ गया 105 डिग्री. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, एन नोट की, एक्स नोट और वाई नोट की आपके पास वैल्यू आ गई. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ड्राइव द वैल्यू ऑफ एम नोट. M naught and X naught, these are the opposite angles of the parallelogram, so these are the congruent angles. So M is equal to X is equal to 105 degree. It means that आपके पास M की वैल्यू भी क्या आ गई 105 degree. Now students, we are going to solve the question number 4 in the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram, then find X and M. Here is a parallelogram and we are going to find the value of M and X. Solution: 11x naught is equal to the 55 degree because these are the opposite angles of the parallelogram, so these angles are congruent. So 11 इधर आपके पास x के साथ क्या हो रहा था मल्टीप्लाई, इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड. 55 डिवाइडेड बाई 11 इट विल बी इक्वल टू 5. ये आ गई आपके पास x की वैल्यू. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू ड्राइव द वैल्यू ऑफ m. 5m plus 10 degree plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now students, sum of interior angles of parallel lines is always equal to 180 degree. So 5m plus 10 degree plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now students, 5m plus 10 plus 55 is equal to 180 degree. So 10 plus 55 65, 5m plus 65 is equal to 180 degree. 65 इधर आपके पास क्या हो रहा है ऐड, तो इधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा माइनस. सो 180 डिग्री माइनस 65 आपके पास आ गया 115. 5 इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड. सो 115 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 इट विल बी 23. सो m is equal to 23. Now students, we are going to solve the question number 5. In the given figure, LMNP is a parallelogram. Find the value of m and n. Here is a diagram, and students, this question is really very important regarding paper point of view. Now we are going to find out the value of m and n. Solution: in a parallelogram LMNP, measure LM is congruent to measure PN. So 8m minus 4n is equal to 8. Also measure LP is congruent to measure MN. So 4m plus n is equal to 10. Now students, आपके पास ये दो equations आ गई हैं. We are going to solve these equation by any method. I am going to use the equating coefficient method. So I am going to equate the coefficients of n. Here is the coefficient of n is 4 and here is the coefficient of n is 1. So I am going to multiply equation number 2 by 4 on both sides. 4 4s are 16m, 4 1s are 4n, 4 10s are 40. Now students, look at the equation number 1 and 2. Here we have equal coefficients of n 4 and 4. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पर n के साथ कौन सा साइन है माइनस का और यहाँ पर n के साथ कौन सा साइन है प्लस का. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड दीज इक्वेशन like equation number 1 and 3. 8m minus 4n is equal to 8 and 16m plus 4n is equal to 40. अब प्लस 4n माइनस 4n कैंसिल हो गया. 8m प्लस 16m आपके पास आ गया 24m और 8 प्लस 48 आ गया 40 आ गया आपके पास 48. अब 48 आपके पास है राइट साइड पर और m के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है 24 इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड. नाउ 24 1s are 25 and 24 2s are 48. So m is equal to 2. Now students, we are going to find out the value of n. So I am going to put this value of m in equation number 2. So 4 m की जगह मैंने क्या पुट किया 2 plus n is equal to 10. 4 2s are 8 plus n is equal to 10. 8 इधर प्लस हो रहा है तो इधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा माइनस. सो 10 minus 8 is equal to n. सो हमारे पास आ गई m की वैल्यू भी 2 और n की वैल्यू भी 2. Now students, do the question number 6 by yourself. Now students, take care and Allah Hafiz.